How to do a glute bridge properly. First, we want to lay on our back and we want to make sure that our heels are in the proper place. We want them right under our knees. If you're feeling it in your hamstrings, that means that your feet are too out far in front. If you feel it more in your quads, your feet are too close to your butt. So we want our heels right about underneath our knees so that when we bridge up, we're gonna feel it in our glutes. We wanna make sure we tuck our chin. We don't want our chin hanging in the air like this. We wanna tuck our chin so it's closer to our chest as possible. And see this little arch in my back right here? We wanna make sure that we press that low back down to the ground and then bridge up from there. What happens if we don't press that low back down to the ground and tuck that chin? As we press up, sometimes we overextend and it's gonna place a lot of tension and stress on our lower back. We wanna make sure all that tension is going to our glutes because that's the muscle we wanna work. Our arms out to the side, chin tucked, lower back pressed down, drive through your heels, squeeze your butt in the air for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, lower back down. Press your back down, squeeze your butt in the air. 1, 2, 3, lower back down.